I tell you, the Dragonborn comes with a voice wielding power of the ancient Lord Art. Believe, believe, the Dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, beware, the Dragonborn comes. For the darkness has passed and the legend yet grows. You'll know the Dragonborns come. Arfinor och Pargan, Fudnos Hansin Drossan, Dovakin, Fahim, Kogan Mundra. Drink to our youth, to the days come and gone, for the age of oppression is now nearly done. We'll drive out the empire from this land that we own. With our blood and our steel we will take back our home. Oh, hail to Ulfric, you are the High King. In your great honor we drink and we sing. We're the children of Skyrim and we fight all our lives. And when Sovngarde beckons, every one of us dies. But this land is ours and we'll see it wiped clean of the scourge that has sullied our hopes and our dreams.
Что ты скажешь на камеру?
Ничего.
Какие впечатления по сегодняшнему дню?
Я не понимаю, мне говорит по-русски.